How are we doing, everyone? Welcome to another episode of the Vectra. I am down here tinkering. I've actually just been started. We're doing actually a TikTok live over there. First time we've done a TikTok live. I'm just down here marrying up gearboxes because look, we got a new F18 gearbox to try it out. It does fit, it's exactly the same setup as the F20. It's just got these all-important mounting holes here. Ignore the drive shaft, it won't be up there obviously. These two mounting points here for the new gearbox linkage. So I'm going to just, there's the old one which we butchered and tried to make fit. But we have another original one here. Obviously we'll get it serviced to make it all nice and shiny, but lube it all up, new bushes, etc, etc. But this should be, that should just fit straight on there like so and marry all up with that. So I'm going to do that now because that's a two-handed job, and yeah, we'll make sure it all fits and hopefully it'll be the end of our gearbox selection issues. So that's kind of retrofitted, kind of only handballed it in there now. There's the linkage. Should be a similar setup to the F20 where you put a little drill bit in there to lock it up. I haven't done any of that today because this is coming back out in a second anyway, but it all fits up, so hopefully come on in here now. Squeeze my ass in the race car. So, but yeah, oh, look at that, yeah. Gears, so Steph should be happy with that, so should Jay, so you shouldn't have to make a dodgy little a linkage. Obviously once it's all bolted in solidly and we've got the new bushes and stuff, that'll tighten all that up, but much better using the F18 gearbox. Right, and there you have it, and there was two. So that's the one we ran at Coombe, F20, no mounting holes. This is the one we're now going to run, F18, mounting holes. So now I've got to get these two over to Jay, where he's going to take the diff and everything out of that and fit it in that. So I'm now going to make a start on the livery. Cue time lapse. I bloody hate doing stickers. You may have seen in the time lapse, I cocked one up. Thankfully, Uncle Luke sent us a load of spares. So yeah, I'll peel them off in a minute once I'm a bit happier. And yeah, we'll move on and do the roof and the rear window next. And the rear spoiler. Well, I can quite happily say putting stickers on is shit. I hate doing it. But I must say, I'm pretty chuffed with how it's come out. So, today we have been adding the to size marketing delivery in place of the mobile one. The correct font door plaques, which I think look a million times better than they were. I've just done the big voxel sign on the roof, which surprisingly went on quite well. Big Club Racing UK on the rear spoiler as well. So I've just got the bonnet to do. I've got to say, this It's looking sweet. Oh yeah, we can't forget the iconic Auto Trader headlight stickers. So yeah, just going to do the last of the bonnet. As you can see here, it's missing the top plaque above Club Racing UK, and the old door, the old style door plaque is wrong number plaque. Yeah, I think other than the car sitting like a Super Tourer, that looks like a Super Tourer. I'm pretty happy with that. Ah, and the heavens are just opening. Great. I might put this bit on pause. Right then everyone, so that is us done down here. I was going to do a walk around, but the heavens absolutely opened, and I didn't want to get my hair wet, so I am packing up the last few bits here in the giant Tetris game of Tetris. I'm now going to head to Jay's, get these gearboxes to him. We'll see if we can pull them apart. I think he wants to pull them apart tonight, so let's see about that. Hi Justin! Hello. Always being filmed. Can't get away with nothing.
Yeah, alright.
It's all for the gram, mate. All for it.
What's going on?
Hey, good man.
Excellent.
Want some gearboxes?
Yes, please.
Cool. Let's go.
Putting these back.
Want some gearboxes?
Type R one, it's the same.
Want some gearboxes? Weren't you trying this out like the last time we were in here?
No, this is another one.
Oh
this
no.
An M factory.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Oh no. Oh no.
Ah, look at the state of that.
Oh, is that the wind?
That's the windage plate, yeah, which we need one, because the sun gasket as well.
Oh wow.
What a beast.
Oh, when you said you wanted one of those, I was like, I don't know what one of those is.
Yeah, one of them, please.
Oh fuck. So this was the fucker, wasn't it?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah.
Look at that.
It's like that's where the coolant appeared, because it cracked in there and then cracked the gallery.
Ah.
Yeah. Nuts.
Yeah.
I'll put that back together, but hey. Yeah.
Cool. Right, well let's get some gearboxes in there, shall we? Oh, mind that. Don't trip over.
A lot of what we do around here is just taking everything apart, ain't it?
Just take everything apart. I can do the taking it apart bit fine. It's the putting it back together and knowing what goes where. That's the bit I get wrong. So you reckon this is an easy job then? You're just going to drop?
Yeah, take this out once. Yeah.
Just drop that diff straight out the hole there.
Plate out and it falls out the gap.
Sweet. As easy as that.
Easy as that.
And I'm being told that then goes straight in to that one.
So see,
It is that one. What did we do? We tried the the clutch a second here, didn't we?
Yeah, a bit of rust.
The shaft needs a bit of TLC, but it will go. So. God, look at that beauty! Something in there. I'll just do a second.
Someone else, isn't it? Yeah.
Look at it. Oh.
All right.
Oh, she dribbly.
So let's get this.
I'll get out your way. Quaify goodness. Look at that, lovely and shiny in there.
Ish.
Ish. Really ish. That's fresh oil in there, isn't there?
Yeah, it's a bit brown in there.
Well,
anyway,
I bet it's going to be a lot more brown in that one.
We give that a good clean, eh? I think I'll take that one completely apart. Right.
Right, good. What are you moaning about over here?
Smells like wee.
Smells like weed.
I don't know. Where'd you buy this? Off a couple of tramps? They've been weeing in here.
I don't know. Maybe.
Smell that?
I'm not smelling your finger. So he's just come over to me. He's like, "Come smell this. It smells like wee." And he was complaining that he doesn't know what I bought for him. But we're about to find out.
Anywho, let's crack it open.
Crack it open, boy. Let's see what we got. Just think, new diff in here, and then the proper gear linkage.
Yeah, no bodger out the back of the van anymore.
No bodger at the back of the van, and then I'm over here cleaning this one up. We're going to sail this one on. Jobbed. So what are we doing, Jay?
We are finding any tool end of fucking world
Something
right
that'll
now.
fit, and you've just got a massive bar.
Yeah. Last time I got out 2 screwdrivers out of the other box. This one
is fighting
this
us.
is an oil filter wrench and some swearing. There we go.
More bloody engine bits down. Hey! Woohoo!
Okay.
Happy?
Happy. Sweaty.
Sweaty.
Wow.
Oh wow. Oh, state. Show the camera.
Brown there. Brown.
Look at the state of that.
Very
Very brown.
Just been sat a while, eh?
Yeah, don't really know. Do the other side, man. Oh, look at this.
Can't keep them. They've got to go.
Huh?
These bearings.
We had it.
Not too bad. I don't know, actually. Oh no, I think it's just the.
They're fine.
Yeah.
They're fine. Right.
Go on, technical Nick.
Technical Nick. So we were just. So. This is the new box. We took the diff out, being told it'll fit straight, swap, la di da di da. Jay's then tried to fit it. No such luck. So he's taken the crown gear.
Crown wheel. Yeah.
Off of the new box. And lined it up with our old box. And look at that. That is. I don't even think. Oh, you can just about see it on the camera. It is slightly bigger. So that's why you want going in your.
Yeah, definitely.
So it's not like for like. I mean, we can put this crown gear on this diff.
That's it. Yep.
And it's like for like, isn't it? So that's fine. That's not too bad. But there we go. And this one's got the. That's the Speedo.
That's the Speedo drive. Yeah.
Speedo drive. But we don't use that, so we don't. We don't need that on the. We just go fast. Well, we don't. We blow up, but. I still cannot believe. Look at the fucking hole in that. But yeah, so okay, so not quite a straightforward
Just
swap.
some more dismantling.
More dismantling. The man is on it. It's a good egg. Right then, everybody, we are signing the video off here. Jay has been summoned to the pub, so we're gonna we are leaving. No, so we're gonna leave our new box with him. We're gonna do order some new bearings and bits.
Yeah, strip it,
Clean it, because it's absolutely caked in some.
Well, I'm quite worried that I'm going to get it out and there's going to be like pitting in the base of the bearings and all the rollers, because there's water in there when I took it out, so not good.
Saying that, the water could have been because I jet washed it when I got it.
Oh, okay.
I put plugs in it.
Well, we take it apart anyway.
Yeah, anyway, so Jay's going to strip it apart. We've got this one ready to go, ready to put up for sale. Yeah, happy with that? Oh, I just need the fork, don't we?
Yeah.
Let me run and grab the fork. But yeah, we're going to sign this video off. Guys, if you've liked the video, don't forget, hit that subscribe button. We'll see you again in the next one.